Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Outriders demo download size and PC requirements. The PC demo of Outriders requires 24 GB of space after the download, with the download itself clocking in at 21.8 GB. The consoles have a minimum requirement of 22 GB. 26 February 2021.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The Outriders free demo is available to download from the online stores for whichever your preferred platform is. Simply search for Outriders in the search bar, click on the Outriders free demo, and download. Make sure it's definitely the free demo though and not the full game.
Take our lead.
All users will need to do is head to Steam, search for Outriders, and then the demo is available right there from the main game page. You'll want to look for this page on the PlayStation Store. Unfortunately, console users have reported more than a few issues finding the game in the store. 25 February 2021.
Make your mark, take our lead.
It allows players to play a game that might not have been interested in before. Especially for multiplayer games, demos are the best representation of what the game is going to be in its final form. The game allows players from all facets to come together in a single lobby, whether it by PlayStation, Xbox, or PC. 4 March 2021.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.